Okay, krass. Den Gimbal habe ich schon mal. Aber wo ist die Drohne?
It's a nice view. Wir sind hier in den Schweizer Bergen und schaut euch das an. Das hier ist unser Hotel. Ich hänge hier im Berg drinne und Pauline hat schon mal Platz genommen. Okay, Pauline, how do you feel?
Look, I'm feeling okay. This is okay, but I don't even know how I'm gonna film this challenge. I don't want my camera on me. I don't want anything because it's gonna fall. I know that I won't sleep tonight.
Where do you want to sleep? On this side or maybe on this side? From here you have a better view. You look at this.
Yeah, the view is nice, but I feel like I can hug this rock, so I'm gonna go for the hug.
Look at him. This is a nice, looks really nice. This is probably the strangest place I've ever flew my drone.
Try to not cut the rope.
Yes, yeah. Takeoff was easy, but bring it back, yeah, we'll see.
Ce dernier challenge est assez extrême, mais bon, écoute, c'est une expérience.
Right, let's get some nice shots. Vielleicht seht ihr unten den roten Punkt. Das ist eine brandneue Mavic 4 Pro, die ungefähr vor einer Woche delivered wurde. Die liegt jetzt da unten und kam von da oben. Hat nicht so gut funktioniert, die Landung. Ich habe lange keine Drohne mehr gecrashed, also wirklich lange. Ich hoffe jetzt einfach, dass es morgen früh nicht hier die epischsten Bedingungen sind und wir keine Drohne haben. Vielleicht ist die Challenge einfach, dass wir den Moment mal genießen sollten. Vielleicht ist das einfach eine Lektion. It's amazing. I like it. I really like it.
Yeah.
Yes. Servus.
Servus. I have an extra gadget for you.
So now we hang this thing. Okay.
There is chicken in curry rice and quinoa ratatouille.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Let's have some food.
Bon appétit.
Bon appetit. This is how you eat up here.
Yeah. The saucisson, salami.
Not bad, actually. This is like hammock.
Do you snow?
No.
Yeah.
Not
They
sometimes.
always say that.
Good night, guys. Good night, Pauline.
Hey, good night.
Gute Nacht. Hey guys, it's in the middle of the night. I can't look into the camera because it's super dark. And we have shooting stars, we have fog, we have all the amazing conditions. Pauline just got a really nice shot of the fog rolling in and the stars. It's amazing. Everybody is sleeping. We can't. But it's amazing somehow. Einen wunderschönen guten Morgen.
Morgen.
Morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Nobody slept. I mean, we slept maybe 1 hour.
How was your night?
Yeah, same as you. 1 hour sleep maybe overall.
Same over here.
No, you slept.
the whole night.
Yeah, you slept the whole night.
I didn't sleep.
No, you were snoring.
We saw the Milky Way straight above us. That was also nice. But when it comes to sleeping time, this was the worst experience ever.
This is one time in a lifetime So it's okay to not sleep for just one night.
See you later.
See you later. Five.
Two pieces. What should I say? Back in Zurich.
Back in Zurich. Long time no see.
Yeah. Oh. That's where everything started.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like a year. Yeah, like this.
Yeah, this is very pretty.
Looks really professional.
Very strong.
I mean, the fog was already somewhere here.
Yeah.
And in this scene, you see the whole mountain area.
Maybe try to use this shot and use the other one and just do a transition.
That could be also the transition going from day to night, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely.
You see it?
And that's a drone shot.
Yeah, that's a drone shot. And actually, it was pretty nice. Yeah, I mean.
This is the one.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the one. This was sleeping? No.
Yeah, all the way.
No, you're kidding. He took this shot. Nice. So cool. Good night, Jones.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Nice. I'm so glad that you took this shot because I took the other one. I have to say that I really like how you put it together. Like it's more like a documentary style in a short form. And I think this is the first edit where we did some totally different things.
Yeah, nice, thank you. Thank you for noticing. Alright, let's see yours. Right, let's go. Ooh. That's so cool. It's so dynamic actually, it works very well.
To see how the drone goes away and then having this open space and seeing the white mountains.
Yeah, it's very badass actually. Already a challenge to just go up here and sleep there. Yeah. Then I feel like it's almost my favorite edits. Maybe it's because it's emotional, because we live something there.
Hard to say goodbye, but it was such a pleasure. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
And I really learned a lot. So it was not just only about challenges, it was really a really good time actually.
Yeah. I'm really happy I got to do this with you.
Yeah, it was so nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, LA, Switzerland, what's next? It was super nice to travel through Switzerland together with Pauline to see all these amazing places, but also getting entrance to these hidden gems.
Something about you that keeps me alive.
Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I got back home. Just wow, so many feelings. Actually, it was such a roller coaster of emotions and experiences.
Hey guys, I'm back home in my cozy flat, and yeah, I had some time to think about the last 7 days. As a filmmaker, you're always looking for new angles, for new perspectives, for new stories. The experience to be there in the mountain, in the middle of the nature, to feel it, to be part of it. This is what life and also filmmaking is about. Thank you so much for everything.
Had the best time.
It was nice to travel with you.
Kept me burning.